Kara here. So today we are doing a video all about my hair. Yes. So this video is not sponsored, but the hair company did supply me this hair, but I honestly do love it. That's why I'm doing a video all about this hair. So the company I'm working with is Eden Hair Extensions. I'm in the shade Off Black, which is a more warm tone black. There's also Jet Black, which is a more cool tone, but this one's warm because my hair is more naturally black. Yeah. I'm going to stick it in and show you guys how natural it looks even when my hair is straight. Because when you're curling it, it's kind of cheating it and making it blend a bit more, but I'll show you both styles. And also, I'm transgender, so it took me a long time to grow my hair out. So ever since the beginning of my transition, I have always been using hair extensions. These are amazing, okay? I can honestly say that. It is smooth, silky, soft, thick, and true to color. And yeah, let's just stick it in, yeah, awesome. That's what she said. So my hair is thick, so I got the thickest set because you want it to blend, girl, but you don't always have to wear the full set. I just want to show you the full capacity, and yeah, we're gonna stick it all in. Okay, now this is the hair. I haven't straightened it or anything. This is how it looks. It blends seamlessly with my hair. As you can see, you can't see where it ends, you can't see anything. It's just, I got lipstick in my, that's not what I want. And you can't see the clips or anything, which is beautiful. I love. Yes, girl. Yes, work it. Work it, work it, work it. Hello?
Hello?
What's up?
What is it?
I'm filming a video.
Oh, okay. Then I won't interrupt you then.
Okay.
You don't love me.
Oh my gosh, Henry, you're my ex. Get over it.
I'm kidding.
You haven't been on camera in so long. This is Henry, guys, my ex, if you guys can remember.
Hi everyone, I'm Kara's ex.
So that is the hair, guys. It is long, thick, voluptuous. Yes. The thing I love about these extensions is you don't have to actually tease your hair because there's actually like a rubber grip in it, like a silicone grip. So when you put it on, it does not budge. Okay, girl, you could go dancing, your hair will not go anywhere. So I just want to show you guys how I curl my hair. I've got like a little mirror here, so wish me luck and hope I don't burn myself, because girl, I'm clumsy, as you guys all know. Guys, can I just say it is so good to be back. I'm so happy. So basically all I do is I part my hair. I like parting it where my iris is. That's probably where it looks the best. So I go straight up, the same as the other side. So then I clip my hair up like this, and then I take another section evenly across like this. Swirly, swirl, swirl. Okay, and then I get another clip and I clip it in. Then I do another section. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh, what's wrong? My friends always say, yeah, Kara, you still got a bit of man in you. Pull it to the front. I get to my barrel, grab a small section, and then I just put it in the barrel. Go around and around and around. And I try and keep it flat. And then I spin the barrel as close to the root. Hold it for about 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Obviously I'm talking, so it's going to take a bit longer. But do you see that? It's literally like a ringlet. Okay? And try and keep the hair sections very even. Looks cray cray, I know. Okay. And then I take this next section down, split it in half, pull these to the back. Goodbye curly hair, hello straight hair, you know. And then you repeat. I'm gonna stop talking now because this is getting boring, so. Okay, now I'm at the last section. All I basically do is just curl everything downwards away from the face. So I pull the hair straight up, get the wand, put it straight in here, and then I curl it. Okay, so it gives it volume right here. That's what we want. We want some volume. Trying to get it as close to the roots, and I let the hair set. So I'm just leaving it like this. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair extensions as well. So this is basically what I do. I just put the extensions in here. I take a little piece like this, and I curl it exactly the same as on my head. Because this hair is so soft and fresh, I like to spray it with a bit of hairspray first. But the older the hair gets, the better the hair holds the curls. Okay, these are all the hair extensions curled and ready to go, so I'm going to start sticking them in. So basically I start with the nape of my hair, where my ears are, and I go straight across, get a clip it up. For my full glam hair, I always tease it because I want more volume and it's going to keep it secure as well. So getting a bit of hairspray, just spraying where I tease so it locks in. Pop it in. And this is not going anywhere. Going about 2 centimeters above the line before. This takes me like 2 seconds. I'm showing you real time. Spray. Just each time I do it, I'm going about 2 centimeters above the line. Now I'm getting a 4-piece clip and I'm going to start sticking it where the frame of my face is, so where my ear is, and going right across. And then with my other 4-piece clip, I'm doing the same thing on this side. So this is going to help frame my face and make the side of my hair look a lot longer. And then I'm clipping the 2-piece clip in. Spray. This literally takes 2 seconds. It's not long at all. And then 2. This is my favorite part. It looks crazy, so I'm just going to comb from the bottom upwards. Okay, and the other side. Now if I didn't curl this hair, it looks a lot longer. This is why I love to put hair extensions in if I'm curling my hair, because when you curl your hair just looks a lot shorter. And what I also like to do is I like to bounce the bottom part of the hair up just to give it a bit more volume. Why not? And that's how I do my hair, guys. You guys always ask questions. Oh my gosh, your hair is amazing. It's not amazing. I bought it and I styled it. So that's the secret, guys. It's not all mine. I think even when my hair grows to this length, I'm still going to wear hair extensions because the volume is just, you can't get this with natural hair. And Eden hair extensions were nice enough to give me a discount code for my followers. So it is Kara Love. I hooked a sister up, okay? Because I'm cheap myself, so any discount is better than no discount, okay? Use this at checkout on their website and you can save some money. Why not? Kara Love, that's why. I love you guys. I have nothing bad to say about these hair extensions, and I've tried a lot of hair extensions, girl. From high end to low end, I've tried it all. None of them have lasted. This is the highest quality hair extensions I have felt. They are thick. Do you see how long it is? This is 20 inches. Oh, beautiful goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair video.